you've been hearing about the Stress-Free Card Making Summit from me and up to 28 other wonderful crafters that you follow. I wanted to take a few minutes to answer some of the questions that you might have, and if you decide you want a ticket, just click the link at the top of this video description. Thank you to everyone who's already signed up using my link. Your support is so appreciated. All this information is also available at the Stress-Free Card Making website, but honestly, I have sometimes hard time absorbing that much information all written out, and I like to have it verbally explained, so I've created this video for people like me. So what is it? The 3-day card making virtual summit where you will learn to make holiday cards using 5 supplies or less per project. Now, there are some basic supply allowances like cardstock and black ink, but this limitation will help take some of the stress out of your card making sessions and your holiday card making. Plus, you can apply these techniques to cards all year round. When is it? It is Friday, September 29th through Sunday, October 1st. It starts each day at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Who will be teaching? There'll be 29 amazing crafters, including myself, your hosts, Justine, Hovey, and Laurel, Ardyth, Juliana Michaels, Therese Calvird, Paige Taylor Evans, Natash Foote, Crafty, Daniel West, and so many more. What does a free ticket get you? You get access to the presentations for 24 hours after they go live, starting at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This means if a presentation is scheduled for Friday, it will be available from 9 a.m. Friday Eastern Standard Time until 8:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday, and then the next presentations will go live. You can also choose to sign up for any freebies the instructors are providing, including my never-before-seen 12x12 paper busting template that I'm sharing at the summit and my class will be based on. You can join the Facebook group to ask questions, watch constructor Q&As, and I will be live on Saturday at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. This will be on YouTube as well, but not on my personal channel. There'll be links and stuff in the emails that you get from the summit. There will also be chances to win prizes, including gift certificates, classes, and craft supplies. But why should you upgrade to a paid ticket? You get early, instant, and ongoing access to the presentations so you can watch them in your own time and you can watch them right away. You'll get supply lists in advance so you can get ready to craft alongside the experts. You'll get exclusive coupon codes and giveaways and a full workbook of all the presentations that includes instructions and photos. In addition to all of that, and especially exciting, you get the Ultimate Card Making Bundle, which includes digital resources from the speakers. More on that in just a second. But just consider that using the affiliate link provided by a creator when you purchase your paid ticket also provides some direct monetary support for their hard work. What's in the Ultimate Card Making Bundle? Hundreds of dollars of free crafting resources, including classes and printables from the speakers. I will be giving away my seasonal and holiday card insert bundle, which includes printable games and activities for you to put inside your seasonal and holiday cards. Some others that you will get include your choice of 25 Christmas cut files from Paige Taylor Evans, Masking Magic with Leslie Oman, Creative Backgrounds to Stunning Cards with Tiffany Solorio, Level Up Your Card Making course with Mary Polanco, just to name a few. Whole bunch more. I hope this has answered some of your questions. Please feel free to leave any additional questions in the comments and I'll help you out the best I can. Click the link at the top of the video description to get your free ticket and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!